Okay, so I've been asked about doing the arrows on this game and what they do. A lot of people have absolutely no idea what they do. I see lots of myths around it. I'm going to dispel some myths. The first big myth is that forward arrows and backward arrows work differently. Um, when we've got a with ball, the forward arrow affects where the player is. So you look, my left winger here is a quadrant. Well, yeah, it is a quadrant, is it? A little bit further forward, and my guy without the arrow is in exactly the same place. But you'll notice that my central midfielder with the ball is level with the other two. What happens without the ball? He is pulled backwards. So what happens is arrows going forwards affect the with ball, and arrows going backwards affect without the ball. So this is the defensive shape they go into, and this is the attacking shape they go into. There's no real reason to use arrows. John Brady would be okay. He's a right winger. He'd have a good arrow like this. We might want him to use it because he's got 15 crossing. So we might want him to go out there. And you'll see when we've got the ball, he'll be here where we can do crosses from. But generally, what happens is when the players get the ball, when our team gets the ball, if the ball is in this quadrant here, this is where our player is. If we decide that we want him to be further up, when we get the ball, he pushes further up. That's pretty much what arrows do. They just change the position where the player is. There's a few things to concern yourself with arrows. So let's look at Steve Daw here. He's a midfielder right and centre. If I put him an arrow to there, that will make him play worse because when he's on the attacking section, he's going to play as attacking midfield centre, which he can't play as. So he gets like punished on a few of his different attributes. When we've got the ball and he's here, he doesn't get punished, right? So it's all about making sure they don't get penalised. With this one, when we've got the ball, he's here, but as soon as we lose the ball, he plays in a defensive midfield position. So obviously you can use this to make your team go around. So if you have a reverse one, it checks positioning, and if you have a forward one, it checks off the ball. Now let's say you want your left winger. Who's my right winger? Oh, they've just switched around, haven't they? Let's say I want my right winger to run forward, but he hasn't got very good attributes to run forward. So he's just a midfielder right, not an attacking midfielder right. Here he is, John Brady. He's got decent crossing, he's got decent pace, he's not got very good off the ball. What we could do is if we go forward runs, and we tick yes on him, that'll do effectively the same thing as the forward arrow, but it puts it more in his choice. So that he will always run forward. As soon as we get the ball, he will make his forward run and he'll push forward. However, if we have that and we just have forward runs on, he will make runs when he feels like it's sensible to make runs. Which sort of, if you have this and forward runs, then your player's just going to run forwards all the time. And so yeah, this guy will be just running forward all the time. So you have to decide how you want the players. If we have Sasaki having forward runs and dropping backwards, the game sort of doesn't really know what he wants to do. So we take that off. Anyway, I like my players to run forward, but without arrows. So I would have it like that. If there's any more questions, please let me know. But it does really affect the with ball and without ball. And that's pretty much about it. Okay.